This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Clara Bobes. Centrally located in desirable Dadeland. High floor unit at Metropolis I at Dadeland. Split floor plan. Porcelain floors, kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Full service building with 24-hour security, gym, swimming pool. Each unit has one parking space and one valet parking without cost. Next to Publix, Metrorail, restaurants, US 1 and Dadeland. Building offers basic cable and internet. For more information, review the details below or contact Clara Bobes at 786-581-1400.